comment if I rasa ngeke kwanga ubhizi
voice yami ivana psychology
yifin
understand ko medayikata
akuthi psychology I was psychologist
loko uza upusha artist yofana na Metro Beatz izaya feature Joe Shirimar. I'm telling you, it's not easy to feature Dr. Joe Shirimar.
It's not. It's
not easy.
At this age.
Yes, it's not easy. Mina antaku my view. My view on this one. So when it comes to AI, yeah, there will be a serious problem.
Ishangani gang la ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumelisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi i Shangani gang shangi.
Minjani matsanga machangana amkela evunangeni la evunangeni ayi zondi ayi abanyisi ohlela music wa Xitsonga ayi na mhaka na ku uyimbelela hip hop wona swa mafaken umjana uyimbelela xikaza
mewe mtimbani
umjana uyimbelela R&B mewe khulubi ayi na the problem ihlela hikwaswo and again avula ku ayi mzondi
Aizondi ihlela music.
Yeah, ileswi hina to imatolo ma hina. So and welcome the comments me to look okay ngona mi feel njani leswi nga sikhumba. In case ivule munhu un'wana ku wenda so mavula ku ri no you don't think so, it's not a problem. That's how we kula ku ikona ku stock okay next time fane yi tekela so question mabo
naku yeah wabona loko uri ku hanya na vuton'wini u fane u swi amukela ku ri ku na swilo leswi vanhu va nga ta swi vona ku hambana na wena. Loko wena u nghena studio u ti byela ku ri ya ni bile ivi a fika George a fika ku I chai
so matolo ma George loko
so
roka ku ya chai matolo ma rock so
na mina ume single ya chai
man bela ku iphathi phela isunguleni okay welcome please me subscriber tell me follow because ina timhaka ku hi voniwa ngopfu mara vanhu aba subscribe and then loko number tiri hehla ne swi kota na ku hina hi kula in which way yako loko hi propose like stuff like sponsorship and everything because hala kula hi hundza la hi nga kona swa ku loko va cheka tinambara mara aba cheki to vona va cheka to subscribe ku ri ku na vanhu vangani. Okay, so loko hi ta kona hi DJ ne mina java say congratulations ni mbyele ku ngomalaya
yeah
ndambyela futhi le xikarhi ka vanhu ene a ma to hi tirha swin'we a loko nga beyond tavula ka yibi
ana yeah
and ntsakisiwa hi xitayela xa n'wina mani damani lo a ni swi tivi ku mi kuma ku ve man xipetani ti mi kuma ku dimani xi yimbelerini and then ntsakisi ngopfu hi loko mi xi pfulela laha loko xi cema laha even then loko se hi ku swi herini ku vuya man'wana ma ku tirunduku xi ku cina lavo mina kahle mi nga yimbelelangi ku a ri ta borha loko yimbelela n'wina hi ku a ni ngo
a wu ta ka yimbelelangi swona
n'wina a ri nga ta va kahle because a ni ngo n'wina mi kota so chaya ku rap yi mtsandzeni se mi yimbela tiko muka I can rap man
mina swo yimbelela mfu standing mara I can be a backup singer
and a songwriter yeah telengo kuna vanhu vo tala ngopfu va nga ti artist ne mina ni feel nga ri they do good hi ku tsala risimu soko munhu lowu humesi nghoma ne mara ti vocals ta yena ti nyika justice loko a lo tsala swilo leswi a nyika munhu a ku ri okay ni tsale nghoma leyi ni yimbelelele yona a yi ta va yi kha yi sounda even better hi mhaka master strengths ya munhu leya ku loko o nghena ka beat ya so swi ta va njhani so ngoma leyiwani mina and this year loko mo vana nkata ku nominate wa futhi leyiwani ne not like Nyosha deserve
Yeah, you are right.
Mara, this one, hey le one
ko fane ku pushiwa strong.
le one yambeka le one ngoma ile ka playlist ya mina ya house nama piano ke mako ai mako nimnyaka ti number mako yaba but
yeah mara ya so far ne so far the reviews leti nga tikuma ansevona review yo ayi
ampameni
yeah yes or anfanele edition one or njanja ko kuna na vanhu lava ntirhaka na vona mo especially this guy lo ni nga yi endla na yena DJ Nascent he's a very good producer he's very good and he's been there ko va ku van'wana va nga va kha va nga n'wi tivi damani but he's been there he's a very good producer
namani la ku yamba nsungulu ku n'wi tiva ka this song
it's very good na loko ya ka
tenda ku sen la ngula
yeah it's very good loko ya ka EP ya mina ya last year kuna EP yin'wana nga yi humesa I think hi minkarhi ya so last year nsuku EP kuna ngoma yin'wanyana va ri Northern Gods yeah check is very good.
Okay, again le vunangeni barhandziwa va hina le vunangeni so la ku vulavula nyana okay episode lewa ni shutela a 17 lifestyle ka birthday celebration ya Chavi CMC so loko mtsanyana ku ri na ti voice ka background i vanhu lava va nga ta ku celebrate nga Chavi na hina so mi swi teka hi ndlela yaleyo
ande kule ku taleni kuya kha ku tala ne
ta chavisa
ka komba ku ri ku ta chavisa yeah
na question news la ku vulavula yona ne AI music
ne
how do you feel about AI music
I feel good I feel bad yeah there's two sides of kuna the good side of AI kuna a very bad side of AI I mean because right now ne AI can do whatever you want you know the sound le u ihleketaka wena amhleketweni wafa kungungungu one pieces you can just go to AI and do that ita ku humesela track yelerini
so leswi swi vula ku ni nga create just a line ni nga byela ku chela marimba
simple like you just go there you know the sounds if you are a producer ne wastiva ku kuna ti synth wave kuna ti trace kuna yini more especially mina ti sound leti ti tirhisaka like ndakuyini rock bass whatever sound that you need you just type there okay create a song let's say 120 bpm wayizela 120 bpm how many minutes yi endli so wayizela ku okay faka lead guitar faka bass guitar like all those things if you heta yi ku vutisa u lava vocalist ya xisati or lava vocalist ya xinuna one pieces so you can do so it's something leshi in a long run ne or very soon xi nga ta dlaya business more especially at the vocalist that la business at the vocalist because the vocalist even lava ka music va dya ngopfu mali at the moment hi ku feature you understand hi ku feature you so if I can tell AI to sing like you why in fun and wa hakela we
and lo mngana I guess kuma ku mina lose business
exactly what this is I can just go to AI and I can just go to AI and if you can okay ndakombisa man let's say Kai if you can love feature Kai I can just to take a clip that's why AI is very bad for business ya music ne because we unga upload that clip namuhla okay advertise ngoma ya wena I can just take that clip nifika ni share niku create another version of this song in create another version
if kai
bauntla ya wena
ya inganyikwa more energy more expenses
studio time
kutsala
one pieces like all those things
everything
so it's a very bad in that way because loko no lava ku humesa ngoma fika ni okay ni lava vocalist yo fana na Kai ka this song ni fika ni faka voice ya yena or just a 30-second clip ni ku munhu loyi a yimbelele ku fana na this clip
then
ni fika yi endla sweswo AI
in that way Kanye to tshama kaya na
a na ha n'wi feature a na ha n'wi ni
na vocal ya yena iva anga adeni
one twist unless you are like me at the moment or I prefer the raw material
yeah
or understand I prefer raw material because I believe in creativity one twist is I believe in creativity ni rhandza ku la ku endla swiswa u langutisa yini hala u langutisa ko
in 17 na
watch this is ni rhandza ku endla swa different like if you can listen to my music it's different so when it comes to AI ku ta va na nkinga mfo there will be a serious problem
so mina loko staka AI na loko vutisa n'wina because mi swi tivanyana ku antswa ku tlula mina kuna AI na ku va yi tikeriwa hi ku pronounce marito man'wana kuna album yin'wana yi nga huma ya gospel I don't know if my tiva ne I'm ta be i Leo Music or Leo M or something mara mi nga mi tlumba na ngoma ya yena because vanhu va yi tirhisa ngopfu like at the post va tirhisa ngoma leyi va vula hi timhaka ta ku xikwembu xa mina yi hluriwe ne kuna kun'wana so mina ni album hinkwayo because ta kusuhi leswi vanhu va swi posta la kuna n'wana a yi swi koti ku vula ku mavabyi a yi swi koti ku vula ku emiringweni wa swi twa ku loko ri mutsonga wa swi twa ku ri no man ala ta ku evuvabyini mara yi tsandzekini ku evuvabyi mara it's nice the vocals are nice
that's the problem with AI because u ta yitwa ku ri a mchangana la yimbelelaka la one pieces but when it comes to tingoma ta xilungu
yi lenga perfect
u nge swi twi na ku AI one pieces u nge swi twi ku AI so the good side of it i ku it can help you improve what you've already recorded or already played one piece because you can just take your full song of course okay fix whatever you feel like you need to fix one piece
okay
yi nga ku fixela swo fana sweswo
umkarhi wangu kuma ku like you said kuma ku mula ku tlanga song ne mara amina munhu o tlanga lead guitar
yeah
nga chela project leya ka software
exactly
kumela u chela guitar la
exactly
oh yeah swa pfuna okay mina the positive side hi AI ne i ku yi pfuna ka ku nkarhi lowu mi spendaku a studio because yona yi endla ntirho wo tala tano mina and ya mihleketela ne and then again yi pfuna ka the financial part ku ri you don't have to spend so much because yi nga kota ku endla and then again swiri loko ku menda risimu 3 days mi nga endla tinsimu tinharhu in 3 days so le makuru ani ngo yi va ka yi pfuna hi ende yi kha yi chela swilo
m4 hi vhiki ne hi vhiki u nga endla tingoma ta 20
masibose swi endla ku mi kuma na nkarhi wo endla swa n'wina because maybe 20 songs mi okay a ni to va ka ni pambula kha no mess
you know a good beat maker or a good producer can benefit a lot the AI you know why you just go to AI u yi byela ku create ti loop teto ti lavaka one pieces any loop u yi feel ku ri wa yi lava then you can take those loops just like what Shimza said ka podcast ya MG u fika u steka swi yisa ka FL u fika u chicha the way u lava ku hi kona wena one pieces yeah it can work for you so that's when a good producer can make use of AI
so honestly phela kuna vanhu va chiwini na vanhu vo tala va nga chiwa ti vocalist ngopfu ti chiwini
M4
ti chiwini not even producers ti chiwini mata ku why na tona ta ni de because mina ne na background ya kereke cha keyboard I know the sounds, I know the music, but I just can't produce. And someone investor can like produce. And go to paka. But if I can give myself time, AI, I can produce myself. Wow.
And you can produce yourself because ungafika shakuvutisa ku ula ku tirhisa voice ya wena na
Okay.
One twisted.
Yeah.
You can just go there to record that maybe a 1 minute clip your voice away. Then Shona every time look when ngom singakuvutisa ku you want to use your voice.
Oh, so into venena tlakula
Watch this.
se sha ntiwa ko. Ile voice wa
Yeah. So we ungayitirisi.
Nami ya chaka na ipia dimension one rabe tra show na mara tra na ver Koza ne. It's Afro pop soul yan. Nakola blind ipilia ne. Mara nakoya la you will feel ku. Itsendeka ku ver kwenlen. Ku pick up amara tamangwan na ku producer loko ku ba ka post production. Bachelor si bari yin.
Bakomza kaifaka ngoma leyane.
Yeah.
Kuna ngoma yengwa ingile trending sis ne yama piano. I'm not sure if waitio. Bari lokucheckela yola.
Okay, lo ma cheka ne. Le balo ke yona mina inga sokuyendlo AI anina enough evidence manje ningisele ntwanga enough AI. Iya moyo mazipapa ne. Vetra EP bar Koza. Koza. Abo. So nathi umuntu afana wobuya na wabusiku nabothunela nabo mingisala ngoplayer ya busiku ne. Anito yiri busiku ajuna yini mara mafutwa ku ri I song leshinga basa. If I can put it like that. Also, izingwayele yendla ku AI ba yindlela yin'wana. Abo. Because aningo no tsala imbela ku xigaririmi.
Yeah.
Ku xigwitsirisi swa endla ku pronounce gwi swi tikela. Mhya kungwi mhya kuyi mara loko ku tiva language ta ku vulwa ku yini.
Exactly. Kuna ngoma leyani yivula ningo yile ku trending. I think it's the most trending songs kama piano now. Varin Butshilo King. I'm not sure if I did. Singele kungayi
kumsani tiva ku yi check tlangiwa.
Look, wait, check walan. But Butshilo King.
Butshilo King.
Yeah. Butshilo King. This song is trending, more especially got TikTok. Most of like Van Votala posted the video.
No, ungena Spotify ive kuri loko watsala ku BO.
Yes. That's AI, bruh. That's AI, and it's the most trending song now.
Yeah, but man, Trexin Molly VX DJ Promatic SA
And then
Dendofel.
Yes.
Yeah. We rolling up AI name. And much live blah management and then live blah you listen to cow. This one, because camera. That's why not platform we finally one. Like Matago, kuna change of management.
Yeah.
Kuna independence. Or the manager way. So a lot of artists. But in management, but email one, and then now to and live banaru. Usiba terlin kumechana usiba terlin kile so ngwena ne te bya gaza ile swa ku mela ku ya ai khale ngo so kuna King Monad was under management
are under open mic. Yes, open mic.
And then I decided in the long run.
Wow.
Email. So what's your take on management? Naku teacher management umthangu di email mthembi mi kumayana kola King Monad kola.
Mina okay, ikuya mina ne. Ku teacher management. Okay, I rangi tekaleyo ya kusukela management and then uti email.
Yeah.
You know advantage, you know disadvantage. Remember, loko wa na management yo inga kupusha ku ufika la over kufika kona. Ne? Kusuka ka management yale. Singava na advantage, singava na disadvantage. Indlela yini? Loko orna management ya toxic or ya cruel. You will never make it.
In which way? Let's say
in which way? Let me tell you in which way. Remember, look, management. I'm talking about the professional management. Professional management, you you could push her in such a way you get bookings every weekend. One piece is because those guys have relationships, not the promoters. One piece is they have relationship, not the radio stations.
Yeah.
They have relationships, not the company with the sponsors.
Yeah.
Like they do. They have relationships na so far as well.
Yeah.
So if that management is toxic, that person, the minute you say I'm signing out, it's the minute and like the calls to everyone that he knows, group. If Jojo Africa Kwalan,
It's a no.
it's a no.
Yeah.
One to six. So it might be a disadvantage in Delele. Okay, the good side of it, if management yaleyo yakumelela uvaya we abana problem na son.
Okay.
It's a win for you. One to six. It's a win for you because now you are no longer paying anyone to manage you. Remember management danayo. You are no longer paying anyone. It's just you. Maybe maybe you will want a road manager, you will want a PR manager. Actually, you just need a road manager and a PR manager.
Yeah, then you are done.
And then you are done. One is so imagine from paying okay, for example, let's say look uchaja 50,000. Normally the artist total normally the artist total under the record company or every month.
Yeah.
Anga only a gig. Yeah, normally. I'm not saying everyone's done, but normally, yes, some of them, but every month. One to six. Let's say vaku o sign really the rocker music. Menanda okay, I'm signing you. I'm giving you 50K every month, a house and a car.
Yeah.
You are sorted.
Yeah, sorted. Yeah.
50K na India mahala, na mova mahala. You are sorted. One to six. So if you sign out and manage yourself, one to six. If I'll charge a 50K every booking, Morocco will 50K every month. So I wanna for weekend one, let's say una the gig day for a weekend. When the Malmun 200K, Maraoya yakuma 50K in weight. The rest of the money yaga campaign. So look, sign out. That 200K is yours.
It's yours.
It's a benefit. Just look at King Munada. King Munada did the same thing. Oh, Minga open mic, now he was charging for himself.
Yeah,
that's why only that money after look at Omega company. Yeah,
life
here really blow up. Like there's a lot of things I acquired that man after family the M4, family this 663, the G wagon, Ushavili, why pieces. So you make a lot of money look why. That's the good side of it.
Yeah, and then kuna one more ema cards ne management.
Yes.
So yena angazang ayaba independent. Ngago management. Asukaka ingwan ayaka ingwan.
Okay, yeah. You might be right, you might be wrong.
Yeah.
Yes, because Makazi una Makazi music.
Yeah,
though I'm
entertainment.
Yes, yes. I'm not sure for Makazi entertainment or entertainment.
Maybe
kuba kuriena or kuba kuna management carrying. Yeah, I'm not sure of that. But na yena shit kwamba engaku after look umilida. Siswaye sifikisi yeah.
So in other ways we ngago shatira if minto ngako lokore sia I contract awena na management ke let's put it like so no benefit ngo bona uma I problem because lokore ni giga like angwetin giga ka 15 hayi look then come no kuma allowance hela ya ngwetin one maybe na bonus here and there okay to ka 15 mara ugiga 17
exactly.
So at least for those 2 gigs that extra ya wena le must work
mina antaku my view watalo kunuku my view on this one
mthambona view le
ndo kana shisa xin'wana hi nkarhi lowa walo kuba na looting la South Africa. My view on this one, I wish it can happen
After every 2 weeks or monthly. Eish, I thought the man shako wa shi. So, ni bete kit, mara ni bete kit kwa ngafana. Bo ako na bona iki bo Puma, iste bo Puma na iste the man le shore. No tra shore.
So my view on this one, antaku, if you wanna be independent, make sure you make your name first.
Turn on that, make sure umakase.
Yes.
La ungakwana because the one umakase.
Yes.
Fenda you can make
Yeah.
a name like King Munade like Makad.
Yes.
But this big thing, even then umakase. And then look, say we are independent. Then say it's working against you. It's one
China. Okay, just like example, Fifi Cooper. Oh, Milika Kambaba in that record company.
You know woman.
I was Java, MT, like
Ambitious.
Ambitious.
Yeah, MT.
Fifi Cooper olona aum.
Then banga. Yeah.
Enga isa nelish gazen. Enga iteka isa nele ka artist amachanga.
Yeah.
For example, Sign Free was Bali music.
Yeah.
After leaving Bali, he did well.
Very well.
One disease.
Yeah, Sign
Free did very well.
Still doing very well.
Yeah.
Still doing very well. And I say, under here, una
Sign Free Media.
Sign Free Media, yes.
Yeah.
Under
So it can be good, can be bad.
no, look, my Sign Free. I've learning in Ganaka. Guys. Just now it's one our colleague. Congratulations to our colleague. Our colleague Mkate Kostole is in your manager
Metro Beatz.
the great Metro Beatz Yarla Gaza Dintang I manage King Stapia and then put as a statement this one manage Mkate Kostole no more just that Metro Beatz use the statement I think it's not matter weeks.
Yeah, but 3 weeks.
Skona lo moya ka just Mkate Kostole skona na kona statement nga release wala sa ko sota ka manage wale so look how do you feel about this move and me wanna difference this one like logom check Metro Beatz
It's change of management, ne?
Yeah,
I think it's change of management. Mina the views to hambana, ne? On this one because I'm not saying the current management is bad.
yeah,
The current management is very good.
yeah, because I
And Sebona is gigging every weekend.
Oh,
yes.
yeah, and I see decline.
Yeah, I said decline.
And West ego angeza nika maybe new music or
Yes.
okay so una new music kanda a new management mara music mara he's not doing like he was doing got the past management mabo
Mara, let's view it like this. Unlike sound that bad. Let's view it like this. Yes, let's view it like this. Kusuka la ungasuka kona until la ungafika kona. Now the previous management. Previous management, you could push it kufika kwini. One this is. And then another thing is shini shotsandeka kusolveka ku continue under the previous management.
Loku correct a change of management kuna
Shishungwayan. Yes. What could have happened? We don't know.
and if something happened solve
because the guy he really did his best. Logo not the previous management ya Metro Beatz. That guy
Stapia.
Yeah. Ingaba kaya ngitiba swin'wana na swin'wana. a ni swi tivi loko n'wi tiva personal na twisisa
I understand, but when it comes to management,
when it comes to management, when it comes to music, he knows music
too much.
he knows music.
Even Josh Reman banker tega ngomala ya mali le.
Yes. No, Wakambani uburini with the current song.
Yes. Yeah,
yeah. So he is very good. He's very good. I don't wanna lie. Loko oza upusha artist yofana na Metro Beatz izaya feature Josh Reman. I'm telling you, it's not easy to feature Dr. Josh Reman.
It's not.
It's not easy.
At this age.
Yes, it's not easy. So look, artist yofana na Dr. Josh Reman ifika ifumela okay. No, I'll do a song with him. Which means he trusted the management,
trusted the boy. And it worked. The song was a hit last year in December. Yeah, and then just one look and check, the new management, Metro is still doing very, very good. The man Metro Beatz, and he's gigging. Namatale 17 is celebrated Chavi, Friday, 27. He was gigging. Arambu, Namota, I think, for 2. Ile Yabotik and Thin, Ile a central, for 2. He gig now, gigging. So he's still doing very, very well.
Yeah.
Under the new management, Mara, maybe it's too early to say go. So I think as time goes, it's not like he expects this.
No, I'm wishing them the best. Our colleague and Metro Beatz. Yes, I'm wishing them the best.
I should I wish them all the best. Like Metro is good, PRN is sharp, is chilled. So I'm not joking. My management I at Stapia before.
Yeah.
Mara local trace this that Metro Beatz. So I would like to believe are business and he's still doing it.
Yeah.
And last time I checked I Cape Town about the video na famanda.
Yes.
Yeah, the video manager I coin the video. And then even did the edits up. So I feel like let's see years and that's one way he's still doing it. Also, yeah, all the best to our colleague. And then DJ,
yeah,
and that single tenga home ne. The focus aga forward to ne. Sta kona. Ichela ku tinjani and la ku isungula yin'wana ne. Before ingena ka leyi nga humesiwa la isungula hi kuna post yin'wana yi nga va kona.
Yeah.
Ya ku tema xin'wana xi nkarhi yin'wana ne swi na khombo ku feature a big artist.
Yeah.
Loko wa ku fika ne because ulaku music ona wena kahle because loko saka bookings kuma ku ona risimu rin'we or 2 mutani va tiva risimu rin'we ra wena swi endla ku va nga book wena va booka artist leyi nga yi feature hi mhaka ku yona ina team va ri yini tinsimu to tala and artist there on top of that loko yi fika la yi fika yimbela simu ra nga njhani u nga feature ka rona and then wena u va u nga ri kona akulavulwa hi the crazy na Sign Free ngoma la yona ava munhu a joa ku demand leya official Sign Free the song did very very well maloko staka the bookings ne aku bookwe the crazy ngopfu bookwa Sign Free and he performs the very same song and vanhu va relate but on top of that ne Sign Free pushed the guy so much and not the gig tala ngopfu like I think I don't anyone agora the crazy ne Sign Free gave him the platform. It feels like when there he sang his song.
I remember, yeah.
Finally, gigi in Kotala based on na feature langa ikuma so nukuma magale wa name aku Messi singing the craze. Ingana
Dr. Sandland.
Mi chanjanlia.
Okay, before ngenela singili na commenta nyana
Alia.
ka post liya. Misalo that guy has got a very good point.
Yeah.
He's got a very good point.
And it was misunderstood.
It was misunderstood. Mina ningutwisisile because that's how it is, ne?
Yeah.
That's how it is. Futhi ngabulawula yo yaliya. We all know Simon.
Yeah.
One twisis. We all know Simon free. And we don't know the craze.
Yes.
But if you pay attention, you will know kurungoma iya the craze aya
Sign free.
But to be honest, man, botala bathi bangoma liya iya
Sign free.
Why? Sign free already what the
And even labo botsa ngoma ka cha kun'wana ba kuna ngoma yeto sign free. Ngoma ya sign free.
So sha good ne loko swi ri swo taniya ti artist leti ti nga tlhariha. The artist leti nga tlhariha, if you want to push someone or if you mean la pusha wena, wherever I go and perform ni famba na wena. One twisis. Look, kubangoma liya, you must come in ungena uperforma nami so that one bakota kukutolovela. One twisis va twisisa ku oh okay la ba ku party leyi ka ngoma leyi imisa lo.
And I remember ka TikTok Sign Free was live, ne? The Crazy was there. Ningeni ka live liya mfana ku Sign Free. The Crazy wa ri ku lane, ne? And then loko a performa, it seemed like chaba or even then Sign Free could know. Mente why menga kumanyana maybe bachine bathu longa maitintela mangana bachena ku attention isuka kako. The Crazy, what are you gonna do next? Cause ngoma
Yes.
Man balangta ban bakabatina belane. Sign Free was like no. I thought of that, mara unlike ativa game.
Oh yeah.
Unlike ativa stage go chinja. And so I experience only the good side of music, performances. Lago ativa and quads cause so that lago so one logo let's say uncon but chinaba con it level about chin and then logo say I perform along then song exposed so unlike go ban whatever go the Crazy hillo look Ariesh. And then you want local aga arna support because look angana sign free in most cases you know but kuna vibe like this I'm free or sometimes like sungu cloud that go okay I'm doing it but big up to Sign Free.
I shout out to Sign Free, man. Sign Free did a lot in this kaka industry Gaza. Itavula yo sukurumwa.
Because
okay.
Ita la kumbana na party yo boteka slow ban kabangwa.
Yeah.
Matang lag chaka lago ngomalia David Rangom. Ilo Sangana.
No, it's a good song, man.
Yeah.
It's a good song. You know, les ni randa ku why ni randa ngomalia. Ainabu 2K ngofu.
Yes.
Efuyingiserile.
Yes.
Ainabu 2K ngofu. Ainabu nzumba ngofu.
And so na iri 2K.
Watwa loko yingisela kahle ne. Va fiki va teka ti elements ta remember loko va na vo Black Poison. Or you remember loko va na vo Black Poison?
Yes, it's on the letia.
Ka kuzi ku va na album yin'wana ya Kenny Bevula inga trenda too much. Yabo ile ingana vo keche na vo yinini. Kuna ti elements tin'wana ti nga tirhisiwa ka album ya ku wena swa rilo loko yingisela ngoma liyane kuna ti elements leti ti fiki ti fakwala so
and I those elements are atileka nzumba.
Yes.
And then nangomalia ayileka nzumba ngopfu kurata in between so ko na very good production.
It's a very good production. I like the song.
Mina I love this. I really love the song so much. Ntsakso ko lo country sa Crazy ne. Se go le ngoma la yo na ba mon John.
Yeah.
The Crazy I mon la lo isala ngoma ne. You vibe and ya vulavula.
Yeah.
I started ngoma so ko ni mataflin ngikhavela speaker
it's creativity, bro.
Creative. And then from there you so ki share bangoma la ya unlost dark. Yo vulavula ko unlost dark asho no unlost dark ndleleni an nga ri ku unlost dark ndleleni. And then she be ile wa this one you kambe yiri yini lo hlangana ayona imaka ko
hlangana dzwale nikusika mara se le dzwale.
I think like he has a good line line ya kahle yana ya le swashin success
is very good. And you know another thing, I'm not saying you should stick to Sign Free forever, ne? But I feel like he's very good. He's in very good hands.
Yeah.
at the moment. One to say so. Our keeping the relationship.
Yeah, DJ, umesi na Mumba, tume single Mumba.
DJ Mumba.
Yeah, DJ Mumba, nikongelele. Le one and futhi njele ngundume nguna yingisela.
Yeah, mina uzoya ngisa. Uyitwa njani?
So before nguminye kama mall ngumntu lokho yitwa njani. Ya Mumba ne.
Yeah.
Swear nguden samni ngisela mara no hunda ko. If the minzo kuni ngisela ne. And then ina ngisela nsamna nkateko the other day. Ngomalia. Kada ngora kollega Miss Bangwane. Hey.
Ngawunyiki nkari.
Yanganyuka karochum ambaset. So ngomalia loko ni chayisa ne nte high man. How ni flanga ku Mumba ne u recycle the lyrics.
Yeah.
Cause ngomalia ne
Yeah.
yo la imajal na kun kongeleleni. Asunguzwe shaka katsimta Mumba. Inabo ngwamarungani. Inabo nitakwila
Antienli.
So I feel like loko ning said that song ne. If lang ako something to before this one, got the very same person. So and then even then loko se kaya machan ngena paparlan. I don't know korabo ijango mala ko huma I don't think paparlan was well. Cause or maybe both plan cause paparlan ngar abo banam khutlwani or abatlimba iki I don't know. So the song there's you're not gonna make it but if for the first time then I didn't say wow mom and I know this.
You know the song. Okay. Yeah. Ungaba right ne. Na mini yingiseri ndo nuzela uyingisela. Anlava we oranga uyitwa
Even then
before you comment.
Yeah.
Okay. Ikuya istyle sha Mumba. It's a good song. The production, style, it's fine. It's a good song. Lyrically, sesunga suvula wena kuri inga ku recite with the lyrics.
The lyrics.
I also feel like that. And then na party ya Paparulan. Party ya Paparulan, I don't know. Sesunga suvula ku Paparulan. Kumbavo titwela mkhuhlwani or because it's not the normal voice of Papa Rulani ngaitolovela.
Yeah.
Want to say so I feel like maybe look abo fika va fixa that part. Yes.
Mina maybe mfilanga maybe mshani au kumeshani it magata kuputa the Easter. So if something because kulabeka na the bookings. Yona Ninyaka 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's a very good song. Mumba is still Mumba. Portland is still Paparland. No flang go maybe like Mumba I can't music name. He must just try to give us because Mumba ne ishim be the rich one shamatimbango. Often I nyika like more.
And you know the song laying and la gurumina ni favor Mumba ne. Elia yaku irin loloiwa
ante ende ngwanango
ingomalia
loloiwa mano
akuna creativity kwayo kangwamalea
like seswan loko se yingisele one ne
yes was to set the creativity
na kulewa na timagata matsala
why one so kula kutisa xitsalo
ne
kula kutisa xitsalo.
Yeah, no, Mumba is his style. Mara, hey, Mumba is still in the game.
Yeah, he's still in the game. He's very good.
And then I take into one timber to single. Kuna single lingo meswa I the site SA ne. Anga feature sign free. The site SA last year or sign way sign free mid.
Njela. Decide what high or what imbelel.
The site I go produce. If we produce what higher. Ne. And Samantha Imbella nota partly and to get to Roman like decide. That's him. Panjole decide.
Oh yes.
That's the guy. So he's the producer. What Shitanga blind. Follow him decide. So Sign free time post album. Name decide the very first song right decide. Like could decide. No, also I feature wise a produce. Could decide. Mara remember I sign free. ihengwina
anse yingisela but ni swonile vaka ni swonile Saimfra kai promoter ngoma leyi.
Ya mina ni yingiseli nyana mara ani nga pheyang too much detail because ningiseli ni nga ri ka space ya xo ningisela la ku twa ku tumesa yi. And then mara like Saimfra kan langta swa yena ka post the song is doing well because I think someone she posted I think I have Huma then I had now 1K views ka YouTube.
Siku rero.
I think it's sort of the following day even the Inshuku we did good for the first day. We did good for the first day. So you looked at it and so
it means it's a good song.
You blah blah ku China ku time da China na mina yengwina switania.
Oh.
Mangantsi nan roesha mara ta tleni yingisela ka. So I don't know what decide itetela imbela ku fana na Viket. Mina sama ka production na.
Abangupani.
Imbela ne.
Abangupani imbela. Ili Viket se wa imbela.
And se shata tu pe. Ono chiku o matola kore novala.
Why is this?
Mitenga yinga tsetsi. Evi ifika mina mesteka la shaka.
Abangupani.
And then ingwane DJ inga uma singile. Iya Chichini. Makambani. La Gembani. Tinkozi ta Gembani.
Tinkozi ta Gembani.
Ta Gembana tinkozi ta Gemba nakhanya. So mizimi yingisa.
Yingiserini. Maybe nranda producer ngo or nranda production. Yes. Uyitlangi kahle ngo.
Mina ngomela nranza riff shot set wabsela kwa ku ngeba leyo ngoma le amatanga mamsamingisela Paul ya Bliss Boy.
Oh yes.
Riff takaslo sa wena boy Polo
Riff
heba yi
ni yingiserini liya ya Polo ni nga umkangwa
abuya kama kile
ni yingiserini liya ya Polo loko ni yingisela ro sungula I thought Mr Brown azama ku kungena or azama ku
tayisha riff
ku va ka production ya xigazi. But loko se ni yingisela se ni twa tagline ya riff na swi twa ku hayi man
sina riff
yi biwile.
So mina loko ntsale ya ta Gembana ne xo sungula loko va ka post snippets ne ay ku ta Gembana tinguzi za kereta Gembana even then loko posta cover ni vona ku ri khanyi na Makambani and I think nkozi kambe yini ntombi ta vasa timbele titokazi kuna nkozi na kuna tokazi
kuna ntswele itokazi
inomaisati ibele inomaisati ibele itokazi hayi
Tswele Tokazi.
yeah
itokazi
oh yes matokazi mambiri
anu kwata kuta Gemba na matokazi magemba
Mara swi nga ta make sense,
matokazi magemba
swi nga ta make sense.
ngoma yi huma ne then I got to understand go baringeta ko yi and I love that song because khanyi shayimbelela ne and it seems like n'wana kun'wana la khanyi singena kona sha deliver I setikeliwa hi ku rambiwa khale
you know loko kuna swilo swin'wana hi vanhu hi fanele swi tekela nhlokweni ka music ka music kuna ku navela kuna ku va na talent loko u ri na talent music wu nge ku tikeli wa ntwisisa loko u na talent music wu nge ku tikeli but loko ku ve i ku navela ku ta fika laha se u tikeriwa. So that's why u vona Khanyi wherever a feature wa kona swi fika swi n'wi olovela because you can see una talent.
So mina after listening to that single I wish those two girls ne banga komana and give us more.
I also wish banga humesa EP va ri 2
because ni vone gig ya Makambani ya list ya kwa 17 ne ni vone the videos Makambani china energy Khanyi is reserved.
Yes.
So I think they did the song when that song ne this one ko banidan I staging because Khanyi was ngela ne people were like, wow, with the vocals.
Yeah.
Loko ya n'wakhamba the vocals plus no chin.
Yes,
Since when
yeah.
I was listening swa blend man lava va twisisana.
They can do good together, I'm
They can
telling
do
you.
good together, man.
Because n'wakhamba nishayimbelela, kanye wayimbelela.
So what's right?
They can do good.
Okay, so umit single in miterene mga single that nga tsiya that bona karlo ta ku loko save because now I have a long day.
Hey, nasiku ro leha.
Ato tira chavi ushu sendi na gagash man ba la seven ku kahle ngop ingebo because I life ingebo lokutana so do loko ku ngar kona na mo u kairi because ita kaina ba teng ku ta kuna music video hi kama nwa tabo yaka ngarwa yenliwa na
No wonder. Ka poster kurina most of the people lava ngile ka poster lava nga mention wa ka ngoma leya.
ngoma leya wo Miss Rams wo Mbelo Rams wo ko kwantao ai lava nga mentioniwa lava ikhabela so mntanga thabene ste mona na music video because awa ru khabele nzona tanta wa foda
Oh yeah.
bankhabela
Ah, bata sungula after mnduku basungula
basa thawa and what about babalazi
No.
hey DJ kuna swin'wana swindlekaka ne not ka Xikaza or not ka Vatsonga or not ka Xitsonga mara ita focus ka Xitsonga ni vona nga kuna vutlhari byin'wana byi tirhisiwaka
Yeah.
i ku loko wo za u dumanyana hi swin'wana brenda wo yi tiveka let's say nxava swakudya mina ni posta social media leswi na tiveka ku hi mina mani acha vanhu vo tala va teka yini the branding va va teka the fame va va ya studio va endla tinghoma and then swi endla ku vanhu va swi ta oh i swimanimani so dumini loko a ba nghoma leswi va simple ku va endla yini va n'wi yingisela munhu luya because already endla yini
Wa tiveka.
leswi swi endlaka which is not music so do you feel like branding yourself from music and then get into music swi endla ku u va relevant kumbexani vanhu vo swo ta va ri na some kind of a musical taste or touch
Van'wana swi va tirhelanga. Van'wana swi va tirhelini. Because you need to u fane u va u ri na talent ya music or you must u fane u va u ri exposed
ka music
ka music. One twisisa. You know these days anyone can be an artist.
yeah
Anyone can be an artist. Ungangena studio ku recorder. If una la ku ro duma u duma.
and kuna xin'wana stage kumbe nkata ko a ya recorder because it's branding ne loko ni vona leswi loko a xi posta nkateko ne xi teri wena wa tiveka as Miss Bangwana
Yes.
vanhu va ku follow loko posta video it does well ne
Yeah.
so why i nga ya bangoma because ile kusuhani na vanhu vo fana vo Rosa na vo Jojo na vo Deroka i vanhu lava va nga le musicini so in that way va nga ku pfuna like u nga vo tiveka imini ku hey ni ku hey hinkwenya u n'wi tiva loko a vulavula ntsena
U rini wena?
o comment if I rasa hi nge ku kwanga u busy
voice ya mi fana psychology
yi fin
a ni swi tivi ku mi ta yi kota
akutsa psychology
exactly
we psychologist
Deroka va ta ni tsalela ti-lyrics
yeah
wena u ta va producer
yeah Rosa ke
Rosa a ni swi tivi
Rosa a tsala
oh ya Rosa
Deroka
tsaleni
ta produce.
ta produce
me ni ta pfuna ni ta ku byela ku wa
A wu yimbeleli swona.
A ni yimbeleli swona.
ti fana makhetsela bolo vuya ka key yi ta va nghelela yo vuya ka key mani vusiwana hi le a wu le ka key
You know, for vanhu va influential ne, just like Miss Bangwana, it can work aside ra streaming.
oh besides streaming
Va ta ya va ya streama va la ku twa ku Miss Bangwana u yimbelerile.
u lo wimana ya studio
Nkarhi wun'wanyana u kuma ku Miss Bangwana u na talent mara a nga swi
mara
tivi.
nga swi tivi
Wa twisisa?
hi zama hi zama
ya loko voice yi vuya
ay ta vuya ka wena ta hi zama
Wa u kuma ku u na talent mara a nga swi tivi. Okay, we'll just give an example. Hi loyi Lekere. lekere a ku ri munhu wo ti endlela ti-video ka TikTok.
And lekere ne loko xi fikeku vito lekere stylist lekere a ku ri stylist a xi ri na events ta I'm a classic man.
Yes.
La ku mbariwa na la yiziva ko as event I think 3 years back a ku mbariwa ku ba kahle lekere back in the days ne a xi tshama posa xi ti khomele xi tshameka joint ya sharp xi mbali ku nandiha I just stylist the man. She inspired by Sean.
Yes, I remember, yeah.
So and then from there she did the video. Like TikTok, she actor so tanya. Before that some music. You good song. You good song.
So I want Magale. Like we didn't know where he knows music.
He knows music. You know, it was
one is maybe you know xikwembu xi ku directa ka swilo hi tindlela to hambana one twisisa maybe lekere had to make his name first before a nghena ka music wa swo ku loko a nghena ka music swi n'wi oloveli njhani
it was very simple
like swi n'wi oloveli blind even the way daman a hlanganisaka vanhu hi kona
ne
is very good ku na track yin'wana sweswi xi nga yi posta
J John
Ingana J John
already ne se a rumela
kuna ngoma leyi ngele ku trendeni ya yeswi
ya umaka mina mara kusukulu ne swi lava ni nga endla so
so he is very good you can tell kuri he's still going far and this is wa to ikhoma Gaza daman because since year before last misala a khomile na sweswi wa ha
khomile sela ka vona kombela u chuza
wayibona
a change gazeni and then mataku lekere ne xiranga xi na tingoma ne and then loko xi hetini xi kombisa ku swi endliwe njhani daman ne xi na music la xi posta ta xona na sala xiko hemfo ku na yin'wana leya sloyin leyo ha tonwa deman xi post screenshot ne Sukun kombela ku teka part ya Mumba ne iba intro loko ngoma la ingena mani nga swi teki enhlokweni la so hi wena loyi a yi nga ri intro part liya so loko se sala na heti xiterno ku na part yin'wana ya Mumba ne yi teke endla intro ne then I went back to the song ni ku loko a nga ri kona this ni ignora ne ni ku la nga ri kona this part ne
a yi nga ta va the way yi nga ri kona
different and ala lose nyana touch mara diman shi music man
is very good
Takala branding. Unless look malama ke macam ni lekere.
Mola?
Lekere malaki macam ni
not really. Lekere is a very good producer.
So and this one song kuna mwenga kaza wo. Lo mo na domain mbere famba mesango. Na shama shi Sita amda samna mtimba amda samna man.
Nivonile.
Sibako se kushaka ko mesango.
Nivonile.
Man. Kwemsawa wemsawa kukumsha ukambaswa kare
leswi na mina va lava ku endla swona
kwemhako i munhu wa minwala na misisi swi nga duma lekhawaii se la ku va mara mi nga kombise mina rhangi ni va xitirhi before that's why
ka remake ya mjolo ndangeni
yini
remake ya mjolo na wena
tingoma ti tele la hi le tin'wana tsika mjolo man
awu mjolo vanhu va hosi
so talking about branding ne kuze ku va na complaint from the great men from Koban after Green Farm next to Pugwani you can ranges man Blanca RSA the great Blanca she logo komeswa the post why not better celebration gagash laying ngilokda email man I mean come so actually the post gagash and then kuna post ya the great G-man wa san ne even then shoku yo boy we na play one you blind ne mara G-man atake hloko ni branding picture liya because I posted I think it was Shama Combo Black Myth Metro Bliss na shona G-man ne msona those pictures that clean mara G-man ngakule shito iPhone and if you take one like I'm gonna post like I'm posing to be on a poster. But it is so you said good swilo swi tirha ta hambanahambana because you had to be a brand first and then u kota ku hi tekela nhlokweni your talent or your skill. Van'wana i vanhu lava va nga na talent na skill ne mara branding a va yi tekeli nhlokweni. And then even then after jiga ka event namuntlha ya Chavi Jimen a xixa performa palms ne I think they took pictures and niste ku teko hi lavele palms utani njani i different picture le nga vola ka post ya Chavi ne it's the best picture I find nga vola post ya guys. So it comes back to branding and I remember very well lokho taka Jimen ne something vula Rainman Capilot shoko Jimen anga social asingara nawo asina phone mara ko lo phone nje
na tsundzuka loko va shopping va xava phone
I munhu wa swona. So I feel like management ne yi fane yi play a role futhi or even better ka branding ya Jimen because we need those
you know if there's one thing the artist fana ku xitekela nhlokweni I branding. You know as an artist ungada I branding
done
utlula the performance
ta wena.
Yes
because kana vile ngwa Jimen nga tenda ka batsipa me bonin
ya mani ya
Jimen
abatsipa
aximbela mara n'wana mana vana yekwe ivi xi jika ne xi batsipa tunda ku dlaya video liya so is the other side of Jimen ne leri vanhu va nga ri receive a va nga swi tiva because of branding. So ni vanhu va ku kasi Jimen munhu wa so
yeah
a mi tshama Jimen ka xicini
a ndzi yi vona. I think okay I think mina hi ku ya mina okay ni vona na xfollow wa Jimen ne I feel like management must do better hi side ra wardrobe na side ra branding
and even the quality of
the pictures and the
videos as well.
Yes.
Because nasibona loko ka poster quality I wanna kona
they must do better.
They must invest in the ring lights as well.
Or let me say take notes from Leker and
the other guys
and the other guys go Metro Beatz
go Ruza Suti. That's branding. And they don't just post. Kadangwana ne basala ba kwata loko wota ka picture na bona ne inga umkahle I post dinge comment dinge comment no comment.
I think they should do better I'm not saying vafane va mbala kufana na Lekero and like umunhu n'wana mambalelo ma yena
kufana Jejo.
Yes, that's another way of branding.
Another way of branding because it's different. Fitimba lasa George Afro show na.
Yes.
Mara the thing is let's supposed to sit clean.
Exactly.
Sit clean. Shakombise ka vanhu wena. Vanhu vana a different comment ke let's asumbala mara not leswi swi phesa xiswona hi cleanliness.
Na ku ya ka photo shoot
aswi Jimen
na Koza ina photo shoot ya shoot
Jimen igige ngophe ku anga tsina ku ya ka photo shoot
why to say
na mutanga bela na Koza la fika la ka chaving shoot I mean mara no we love the music ne mara au back up music it's just quality
branding
quality because naloko aenda video la ya challenge Imos check the guys that were challenge check Timban she enda one one clean.
Yes
ne bo shifikisha kwa la ka shawara sho ile ya shi
ndama ushutela shawara
ne na jaranda ntendlisi
comedian mizana umbe artist mara
no ngizelo ka tala wase ute loko utsuka tema semala ma
utazwakala.
So yeah kufana bone bo kufana organize like buy ka ndawo like they did their best for the visuals because sometimes ne video ayibona ku Android mara wait sizona sibasulukini
isingandwala
see kuna sonyanganya la singakona wabona. So I feel like they must pay attention to such.
Naku the record company loko ve the record company tile ku scouting ka ti ka ti artist they also check kuri
yes
u serious kufika kwini one basis. Yes you are good in music but how do you brand yourself one basis. How active are you on social media like all those things but check so far as well because they don't want to lose money
allegedly ne kuna artist ngwa I bet there kwala lembe yi nga posta pictures ne tin'wana record label yi fone yi ku take them down. They're not worth the public.
So I won.
Hi swi twe kwala ku fambeni to ka hi nga swi paluxi hi ndlela yaleyo because a hi na vuthala byo tiya because a ni ti vonanga leti nga postiwa tlhe ti dropiwa leti ni nga ti vona mi ta ha ri kona mara ve ri ti kona tin'wana ti nga dropiwa hi mhaka ku ri va vule va ku it's not good for our brand, it's not good for your brand.
That's where management comes in.
Yeah, va fana va tirha va yisela vanhu DJ hi vulavule ngopfu mara a hi pfaleni hi leyiwani ne.
Yeah.
Last year before ku va na one man show J John ku vi na ku ninginika ka Gaza.
Oh yes.
Ku ninginika ka Gaza J John signed a record deal na Sony. Ku ninginika ku vulavuliwa hey va stele hla vanhu then next thing swi helela moya hey J John ta endla hey and then sweswiwani hi sungule lembe rin'wana
Yin'wana artist yi signing.
Yi signing. Metro Beatz signed the deal. Na Sony, congratulations again.
Metro
boy. Congratulations like you know lam kateko ka your new journey yi nyiki music, yi nyiki marimba. And then leswi mi nga twana swona la nga sena kona tirani swi va kahle nga na conflicts nga vi na anything yona ka nga swi tivi ku deal ya kona yi fambisa xinjhani mara we are happy that you signed. It's a sign of growth.
It's a sign of growth. Wana loko za ti company tikulu to fana na va Sony ti ku approacha ti ku hi lava ku sign.
Yeah.
It means you know we're going back to the conversation lay I na yo sweswi ya ku. It means your brand
is big.
It's big
and it's clean.
It's clean.
Yeah.
One pieces. Na music wa wena
dope.
Would clean. Cause the record company to fana na va Sony, they don't want to lose money.
No.
One pieces. Abalava kulanda munhu luya wa ku
angana magana chumu.
Like they start you afresh. You know all those things.
Opposite tavena akome madikoto.
Why twists? Another thing what lesungelo ku mention is that's another thing. And get someone the artist ne as an artist I'm not saying don't post or kutinwele nga majala and all that but it's a bad image.
Yeah, it's a bad
I'm not saying don't drink alcohol and all that ne.
Yeah.
And against the sources but posting yourself every time that's all one artist total am karhi wanyana loko va la ku shoot a picture na wena. Let's say ukhomi byala uteka byala hayi teka byala veka hala because they understand the damage leyi nga endleka loko u posta picture leya. They don't want to be seen as vanhu lava tshamaka va ri byaleni and all that. Not ku ri a va nwi mabyala but you need to respect your brand. You need to respect your image, you need to respect yourself. I'm not saying I would respect loko posta ukhomi mabyala and all that but it's your image, it's your brand. So coming back to the deal ya made, I'm not sure kubana deal ya njani na Sony. Mara for me it's a good thing. You know why? Company yo fana na Sony ne depending ka ku usign deal ya njani, they will make sure they push you.
Yeah.
For malembe malama mga sign on, they will push you. They will make sure kuri wativeka not only a South African side, worldwide. They will make sure wativeka. If you sign deal ya seriously ya ku, they can even get you gigs and all that. You might find yourself performing one pieces. That's how those companies.
And it dreamed artist
but the catch yingava ku usign deal ya njani ukuma ku wena deal leyi nga yi sayina deal ya ku yi tekela wena mali and the wow swi voni ku tekela ka mali. So it's a win for you, it's a win for the company. One pieces. But I believe munhu wo fana na Metro ni vi na ti conversations to hlayanyana na Metro, even the things he post ka social media, you can tell this boy is smart. One twisisa wa understand the music, wa swi twisisa ku what is a music business, wa swi twisisa ku music I mean business ya music so I don't think angava andlele mistake ya ku sayina deal ya wrong. One twisisa, so I just believe gore deal leyi nga yi sayina I deal leyi nga ta benefita yena.
Yeah. Kaya kupaleni. Miss Bangwan. Nasungwan. Vulavula.
Ambalavula ngesingle ya, I mean, yeah, isingle ya Nebo na Mtimbani.
Neboti.
Yes.
Ani not what clip.
Yeah, go matolo notim.
I was saying
Ning serin mara I can't say much. What why? I'm trying to beef one ya tutumbela ngomale ane. I'm trying to check gore money man leoni chopwa kama mara mise maistere.
Mina ne
kuna ngwa mtimba shingete loko gore ni gana auto tune ne ni chopwa ka wena. So like sitele ngo kuchapa nuila nebo ne imunwe ngwembela set songs.
You know ne ata nebo ne samin tsala post nebo was which fana na man balama ngata kaneta wa ta kaneta. You know Stohiti.
Yeah.
To me.
Yeah, I thank them.
Nebo is very good.
Good.
Ka kupaka marito. Phela ka ron'wana nga mapaka marito mara kha vulavula nonsense.
Yeah.
One pieces. So that man shapaka swi vulavula swilo leswi u nga ta swi yingisela u swi twa miselo yi u swi hlekete nkarhi muni swi swa so.
Mi ngiseni bote ne not float to ringana uma 2 3 total different. Xingate
Mina ni yingiseli not what clip ya yena Nebo ya Mtimbana nseyithu.
Veta Mtimbana la beef yo wala. I be serious.
Plus Mtimbana ya beef munhu wa swona.
Ya ile kaya la and plus look aguma ka le ya bone bote ne. Ila ku inyika karo yo kahle yo kahle hlela kaya.
Yeah.
La be pala le wane, pala ya Xigubu 2.0. Xigubu 2.0 kuna Black Myth, kuna Bliss Boy, kuna Oga, kuna Kenais.
Yeah.
So ban lava bar kona khala na khale Imos na Black Myth, the best award Xitsonga.
Yeah.
And then kuba na Bliss Boy, Oga, na Kenais. What do you think of everything? Let's sing and the song that's out.
Let me be honest, ne? Ndasungula okay, hikwava va Xitsonga ti verse ta vona ne from leti va nga ti recorda loko va inana.
I think ya Kenais
yi cinciwinyana.
Ko swinga omitiwa. I think the score swinga swimbirhi na swinga.
Yes.
But
still the same thing.
Still the same thing.
Ni nge vulavuli Black Myth because are kona already ka. Bliss Boy, I don't see a problem if it's a Bliss Boy. Mara ni vona vanhu vo tala va kha va n'wi sola damani. But that's a good verse. Ni veka side. Kenais, he delivered as always. Munhu loyi va nga n'wi hype loko ka handle wa challenge Oga. I feel like I don't know, ani Steve kumbe ematitwelo ma mina ne ani Steve. I feel like he didn't deliver the way he delivered.
Loko atshame mbedweni. Afa record atshame afa di studio mbedweni.
Unless voice ya yena lo itsandeka. I don't know. Ani Steve.
Because voice ya Oga ina voice leyo yi clean ne.
Yes.
I love ku chela swilo. So sana ngoba ba chela so tala la him then.
Yeah.
Yeba tewe. Mina one thing about that song ne. Mulanga ntsakisi. I Black Myth, what why? Vesa Black Myth I Xitsonga ne. They are the same ne. And nakala ka 2.0. If ke time like unge bolo ko ai nga boy. And then I think la ku xibulana ka gas. Babelo complaining and if to go very uye kwemisela. That song is 2.0. It's 2.0.
It's
so
not a remix, it's a 2.0.
It's 2.0. Anything can happen.
Exactly.
No, I must see. Another thing, I must a culture of music here. He knows the business. What thought I was Swahili, Swahili. So there were I'm going to okay, why aren't I Timbani? Why Arambo canais and then second canais will and I'll be honest, come back honest. Timbani, I think so on this stage so I respect my brand because I want to work with people.
Yeah.
So Monofano and look on the interview on Nebo 64 that I'm going to call my child. Nebo, if you can look at Timban, one ang schema Timban, quite a lot of beef. The next thing, 3 months or a year down the line, kuna beef between the two of you. I
wonder why.
It's Flesh Cortez. Flesh Cortez. And then I was like, and then I love San Chaka and Mokbanim Quavo. Beef. And I was like, Amos is smart. Amos is very smart. He's been here. So maybe I should go. That guy is brutal. It's brutal. That's affecting na brand because but more than I deserve a go back 2.0.
And I also feel like Mtimban
beefer before the outcome.
Yes, one business. I feel like after I email I want to go spambanja. And then Kubanavan, you know sometimes before Salati post ka social media, you need to know ureka music umelela yini. I saw this other guy at Salati Makataku. I wonder if Chico Chwala knows about this song. But then you can comment and you go. There is no way.
I must.
An artist like Amos, anga very popular.
Yeah.
One this can make that mistake. There's no way because Amos R1 he's got a team. Lay Dilana kuna sulu paperwork everything. So they can't allow him to release a song laying a clear you need to know these things before you go to social media where you have to expose and I saw a lot of people comment, yeah, I hope Vanani na Chico, but yeah.
Mbali ulabain. Yeah, unga refill. I saw an expose.
Why this is? I feel like before you start social media, you need to learn about these things.
Yeah, it's not going to so I must ilawankar na ku sungula siku ina hansi because van'wana vero u win utirhisa Matsonga, which is not the case.
Mina that thing ani viewer indlela yo hambana na leswi vanhu ava viewer hi kona.
That was me man an so because me lo posta any video nje vanhu va rhuketela la ka ti comments ku hamtimbani va rhuketela. I'm like, guys, why?
And the reason Mtimbana aya humesa beef, it's because of what people were saying. Yes, because you can't say Amos olakupuka emachangana. Amos is a very big artist.
That guy is big.
He's a very big artist.
And then
exactly. Like a lot of trending songs.
Tina
Amos.
Yeah.
One twist. And the one but they don't know.
Yeah.
Amos. One twist. So I didn't view it in a way I go.
He's using
it. Okay, for example, Hiluya Oga. Did you know about Oga?
So it's a benefit to God.
That's a good side of that song.
It's a benefit to God.
Now we know Oga. I think Abukila 17.
Arukola 17.
Why it is
so busy.
Exactly. So I don't know.
Okay, thank you very much. Kwa mjeni namcha EVUNANGENI. Ay abanyis ay zondi. Ohlela vunanga.
Hlela music wa Xitsonga.
Ayina mako rembela vunanga za njani.
Nalo ku ri na artist leyi lava ku tala. You ta interviewer. You are free to come. You can contact me. You can contact Jojo.
Our contact number is Changan Gang.
Yeah.
You call na Changan Gang number. All the socials you call Changan Gang. Na number.
You are free to come.
And please avoid la some kumaku ugo. But I got my son home and they all up Talawan. We can't come here and sit for an hour talking about your song, what's happening. So
we want to talk about
you
you.
Something. No. Hey,
next time.
Joro. Ayini attack. Ayitsakeni ngona mani ya. Ewa basate Joro.